Hi there and welcome to the last video in the Playsilks series. In this series I showed you how to use Playsilks with your children from birth all the way now up to 2 years. Today we're looking at 18 to 24 months. I gave you a couple of ideas on how to use these silks so that you can use them over the long run to get the best play value or bang for your buck out of one of these little guys. So here I've got the rainbow play silk. This is such a gorgeous, vibrant play silk with all of the rainbow colors. And in this age bracket of 18 to 24 months old, your child is going to love color sorting. In our house it has been huge, and it is so developmentally beneficial to your child to practice it and to give them ample opportunity and various different objects to color sort. Color sorting is a precursor to mathematics because you put stuff into groups that is the same or like groups, so that teaches them how to classify. Really important, so don't gloss over this. Try and do this with your child. I've got a lot of color sorting inspo on my Instagram at the moment because it's something our son adores. He's about 2 years old at the moment and he has been adoring it for a couple of months now. So here I have the rainbow play silk, and as you can see you've got all of the colors starting here on this side with your reds, moving over to your oranges, yellows, greens, blue, violets and indigos here on this side. What you're going to do is you're going to put your play silk on the ground, you know, like you would put a picnic blanket on the ground, nice and square and open. So you're going to have your red stripe, your orange, your yellow, green, blue and purple stripes on the ground. Then you're going to give your child small objects of that colors. Harper and Sloan that sells these gorgeous play silks have beautiful rainbow loose parts, little big people, little circles, little acorns, tiny babies that they call tots. It's beautiful, the whole range. You can use something like that, or you can collect bottle caps that's different colors, or you can take any toy that your child has or that's already in that color. You don't have to purchase anything, you can just use what you have at home if you want to. And as your play silk then is on the ground with all of the different colors, you are going to ask your child to sort the toys onto the corresponding color on the play silk. I will put a photo overlap on this video that you can see exactly what I mean, but I hope you understand the idea. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this Play Silks by Age Group series. It was so much fun to create it, and it's stuff that I really do with our son frequently. Play Silks are something that we play with daily. It's a great open-ended toy because it can be anything. And as I mentioned in the introduction to this series, I will be sharing some photographs of play ideas with play silks as well. So the series was directed activity that you present to your child and that you help your child understand to use them as an educational toy. And the photos that I'll share about the play silks will be more of a open-ended, small world, child-led kind of theme. So this is not the only things you can do with the play silks. There are many more ideas, so I'll definitely show you guys in the future. I've got wonderful stuff planned for that. And yes, go and give Harper Sloan some love. Thank you, Harper and Sloan, for these gorgeous play silks. We love playing with them. Till next time, guys. Bye.